heaven let us meet once in this world. We've lived together, I love you always. Our love is so deep, but you left no trace, no mark to show others know about our past. Once you belonged to me. Today I come here to this place to plead and pray for you, that fate won't punish you. Though you broke the promise we made, may your life in the future, you will not meet bad luck. I'm not very lucky now, broke the fate from heaven to love with you. That's why I lost our love. You left me and went with someone else. Our love story, I am the lost one.
How long would I miss you in my lifetime? I will miss you throughout the summer and winter.
Our love story will remain as memories. Very lucky now, broke the fate from heaven to love with you. That's why I lost our love. You left me and went with someone